Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I have the Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro. I'm going to be unboxing this for you, giving you a closer look at the design and also comparing the thickness to the iPhone Air, which I just unboxed. Check that out on my channel. Let's get started. All right, so this is the newest color, Cosmic Orange. I'm just going to open the box and we'll get right into this. And there it is, Cosmic Orange. And that is a nice color. A lot of people hated on this color. I'm not sure why. I think it looks really flashy, really cool. And I don't know what the reason for this two-tone look here is, but definitely bigger up here. Again, similar design to the older iPhones like the iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13. Nothing too crazy. Peel that away, and I'll actually power this on so we can have it start up, and we'll go over a few things here. So first off, on the left side here, this is where your action button is. So if you've never used an action button iPhone, you have that now with the Pros and the iPhone Air. You also have your two volume rockers. The iPhone's still starting on the front. On the right side here, you do have your power or side button, and then you have camera control here, which if you've never used it, allows you to trigger your camera and access it using some features as well. And it kind of is giving a mirror effect on that button. On the bottom, you have your USB-C charging port and your speaker grills. Over to the back side where the large changes of the design happened, you have the triple 48 megapixel fusion cameras, a main, an ultra wide, and a telephoto, which now is a 4x telephoto, which also lets you do high quality sensor crop to mimic an 8x zoom. So that's interesting as well. To the right of the camera, you have your LiDAR sensor for depth and your flash. I'll set it up for you super quick here so you can get a look at the display. And going over this display, it's a 6.3-inch OLED Super Retina XDR for the iPhone 17 Pros. And if you go with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, you're just going to get a 16.9-inch display. This does have the 120 hertz, so it's really smooth and it's always on display supported. So you can have the display always turned on. You just have to go down here into settings and display and brightness, and then go to the always on display. It's set to on. The iPhone Air had it off. So when you lock your screen, it'll stay on all the time. You can tap to wake it, and you can unlock it with Face ID or my strong passcode. As for the front-facing camera, this is an 18 megapixel center stage front camera, same one that's on the iPhone Air. Supports center stage, which is going to allow you to do different things. For example, in the camera app here, if you flip to the front-facing camera here, you can actually tap up here and you have some auto zoom and auto rotate features on, or you can actually auto rotate it yourself like that and zoom in and out. So some extra functionality you have there for you within that camera app. I'll be doing a full tutorial on this new iPhone 17 Pro camera. So if you're looking to learn that, check the link in the description. Full tips, tricks, and tutorials. Now this has a 4,252 milliamp hour battery. Keep in mind, those of you who have a SIM card slot like the old iPhones did right here, you're going to have a smaller battery. I don't think it's going to cause that much of a difference, but eSIM users like in Canada now, in the US, you get the larger battery. It's supposed to give you 33 hours of video playback. We'll see how that works out as we continue to use these phones over time. Now, a quick comparison, the iPhone 17 Pro to the iPhone Air. And a lot of people are calling this the iPhone 17 Air. It's not, it's just the iPhone Air. This is space black. So if you're trying to decide which iPhone to buy, this is pretty much your limit of getting the best phone for with a black, because other than this, you have the standard iPhone 17 that has a black as well. The iPhone 17 Pros do not come with a black color. Now, comparing the thicknesses here, I'm just going to put them face to face, which is always cringy, and I'm not happy about doing it. But anyway, There it is, and you can definitely see the difference. It almost looks like it could be 2 times thinner than the iPhone 17 Pro. In terms of its screen size, you can see this one is slightly larger. The iPhone Air actually has a 6.5-inch OLED display, same displays that are on the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max, but it's kind of that sweet spot in the middle of their dimensions. Also, they both have 12 gigabytes of RAM, where the regular 17s only have, I believe, 8 gigabytes of RAM. So it's totally up to you what you're looking to purchase. Honestly, I believe that this is still too similar to the iPhone 16s and iPhone 15s. And if it wasn't for colors, you wouldn't be able to really detect that they were different, aside from that little extra they put on there and this little kind of faded area. So, things are changing. Hopefully, next time we'll get a folding iPhone, but this is the iPhone 17 Pro in that cosmic orange. I do like the color a lot. I'm still unsure which one is going to be my daily driver. What are you guys thinking about these new iPhones, the iPhone Air, the iPhone 17 Pros, iPhone 17s? I think that the Air is the popular one, especially since I picked these up this morning and the Apple Store was packed. The lines were like the old days, people waiting outside to grab their phones. And actually, people keep calling this the iPhone 17 Air for whatever reason. But yeah, best of the best is obviously going to always be the Pro models. But this one right here is a sweet spot between the two in terms of size, power. You do only get one camera, which doesn't really bother me. And I don't think it would affect most people unless you're big on photography. But that is it. Let me know what you guys think of this unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro in the Cosmic Orange and your thoughts of Apple's new lineup. As always, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips, tricks, and tutorial videos. There's a full playlist to help you get the most out of your iPhone in the video description. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.